When you talk about a minority government, you're talking about something like what happened earlier with Trudeau, where he needed Jagmeet's propping up because otherwise his government would fall. So there was this gun to his head, I don't know, then it became a Stockholm syndrome, I would guess.
But this time you might be having a case where conservatives might be at 150, 160, so they can't form a government. Liberals might be hovering around 140. They can't form a government because the NDP and bloc numbers are not enough to prop them to the magic number. It could well be a possibility. That's what I'm trying to say. So sab atke rahenge, and it will be even harder for India to resolve the relations in that scenario with Canada.
Okay.
Because आप अपने आप को एक प्रश्न पूछो. If a country, the diaspora over there overall is around 5 to 7%, depending on how many people you count. If you count all the illegals also, you can say 7.5%, half a percent point increase hoga. But the disproportionate influence a single set of people have on Canadian politics, and you can see what is happening in individual nominations and ridings in certain areas where people of Indian origin live.
That's also, some of them couldn't get their nominations.
Oh yeah, I can name 5 such names. Now, the most peculiar case is what is happening in a riding called Abbotsford, South Langley, where there were 2 names that were floating around. One was this guy who's been, a member of the provincial parliament, Mike de Jong, who has, worked in the British Columbia legislature for the longest time, and he was trying to stake claim. And there was this other guy, Schaefer, who was also trying to stake claim. And then last moment, a guy, a 24 or 26-year-old gentleman named Sukhman Gill is just skyrocketed. No processes are followed, which are the internal processes of the Conservative Party of Canada. He's just dumped on that constitution. Just today, Mike de Jong has tweeted an entire thread explaining what happened with him, why he's fighting independent, and the retiring sitting Conservative Party MP of that area is endorsing the independent candidate, not this Conservative Party candidate. So allegedly, what I hear from the sources inside the community in Abbotsford and in other parts of Canada is basically जो भारत में होता है वो वहाँ हुआ है.
Which is?
बांटा जाना.
Okay.
So वो भाई ये जो पंजाबी में कहता है ऐसा वाकफ है, घुसेड़ दिया जबरदस्ती का. And the people are so pissed off now. Imagine this, and this is Abbotsford. Now there are many cases. There was I don't know his second name, but his first name is Keshav. उनकी nomination cancel हो गई. उसका तो article भी आया था pointer.com पे. A journalist had written a detailed article how ridings are being hijacked by these elements. Then there was another case of Don Patel in Etobicoke. For some odd reason, Don Patel ka naam cancel ho jata. He was called, he was even brought on the stage by Pierre Poilievre, and then Don Patel ka nomination cancel ho jata. And you know what the reasons were? I saw that article, and usme likha tha, he liked a post which was against Khalistan. I mean, come on, yaar. This is what is happening.
Do subscribe to the ANI Clips channel to get shorter versions of this podcast. Click here to watch the full episode.